Optical power meter. Integrated with 10 calibration wavelength. Press the difference key to store the current optical power value. After ray measuring, the device will automatically calculate and display the delta value. Hold date. Lock the display data. Visual fault locator. Lighting mode. Red laser source emits steady. Flashing mode. Press 1H flashing or 2H flashing double quotes. To activate the VFL pulse emission mode, where a red light is emitted at a specific frequency. Timed mode. The auto shutdown time can be selected.